60 seconds with Femi correct pidgin and is now what they do. And yes, today na correct day for inside we continent Africa. As today we go know who go become the man and woman African footballer of the year. For the women, they will get some Naija babes and wait inside that place and na today we go know who go win am. And for the men, they will still get the same name what we see last year. Sadio Mane, Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang and Mohamed Salah. Now there are three 9 days for that category for the men's footballer of the year award. Some plenty award also today go also day. Then we go see know who go host African Cup of Nations this year. Cameroon then supposed host them, but they come out for them last year because they never arrange some kind of things where they supposed to arrange, and they come out for them. Now we can't know who go host them. But this morning, what will they talk? Now say last year, now 3 men: Sadio Mane, Aubameyang, and Mohamed Salah. Now there are 3 come out for men's football of the year. Now there are 3 still come out again today. All the other people, nobody they play ball for Africa. No man they play ball. I mean now only there are 3. CAF Champions League, CAF Confederation Cup. We want to say nobody play ball for inside that competition where they see. Now let these 3 people sabi play ball for the whole Africa. I beg make una join me chukuna mad for this whole situation. These 3 guys now they deserve to be finalists for African Footballer of the Year award, and who you think say go win am at the end of today.